We're just playful tides that rise. Silver waves and neon light. Footprints fading by the shore. Like we've been here once before. You draw circles in the sand, then erase them with your hand. Like a game you always win. Pull me close, then drift again. Ocean breeze against your hair. There's a rhythm in the air. Every laugh a fleeting sound, like it's never meant to stay around. We move in and out of time, like a wave I cannot define. Every touch just slips away, but it keeps me in the play. We're just playful tides that rise, touching briefly then goodbye. Hearts that dance along the blue, never still but always true. We're just playful tides tonight, rolling under fading light. If we crash or drift apart, we still leave a mark of heart. Moonlight glows across your face.